Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Jasmine, it's a beautiful and an aromatic plant. An Indian garden isn't complete without this. My mom had cut some stems for propagation. Today I will tell you how much fertilizer we have to give to these plants, how much sunlight it needs, and what other cares are there for these plants. Wow, look at these roots they have. Did you know how my mom got these roots? Yes, she dipped them into aloe vera pieces. Then she just put them into the soil. Okay, now my mom is repotting them in an 8-inch pot. Jasmine needs soil with plenty of drainage to grow. Fill the pot with well-draining potting mix or add loam-based compost to the soil to improve its drainage. If you have been watching our videos regularly, you must have known how my mom makes the potting mix. First, she makes a composting bed in the lower part of the pot. She does it with 1 part of dry leaves, 1 part of vegetable peel, and 1 part of soil. While repotting, my mom saw that the roots were way too big, so she had done pruning of the roots. And with this, my mom had done some pruning of the stem and the leaves. It helps to grow lateral branching and makes it more bushy and healthy at the same time. Let's fast forward to 1 month. As you can see, the pots that she had repotted were like this now. Okay, now as you can see, it's the summer time. So let us do some special care for these plants. Now we have to do it because it is the blooming time. At first only, she removed all the weeds and dug the soil. Some plants also had bloomed some flower, but because of this hot weather, they were almost about to dry. Okay, now let us start with a special care. Because of extreme summer, there is a loss of nutrients in the soil. Okay, so let's give some tree nutrition-rich fertilizer. First is citrus fruit peel fertilizer. Okay, now the second is banana peel fertilizer. And last one is eggshell fertilizer. Finally, let's cover it with some kitchen waste compost. Jasmine plants grow best in potassium-rich soil. From this fertilizer, your plants will get potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and other many kinds of nutrients. And my mom has given the citrus-rich fertilizer so it maintains the pH level of the soil. Finally, cover the soil with some dry paper. It's called mulching. I hope you know what's mulching and what are the benefits of it. If you don't know yet, you can watch our previous videos to know what's mulching. I hope if you take care of your plants like this, you can save your plant from the extreme hot weather. And wait, one more point. If your plant starts flowering, you must prune the tip of your plant. The reason of this is it helps in further blooming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then please share this video, like and comment. Take care. Bye bye.